Fine, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Who is asking how are you?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning to all.
Good morning, madam.
Okay, ma'am.
Financial accounting. Okay.
మ్యామ్ ఈ రోజు మీరు ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇస్తానన్నారు.
ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కాదు. ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కాదు. ఇంపార్టెంట్ లాస్ట్ యూనిట్ చెప్తా.
ఓకే మేడం.
మేడం ఎప్పుడు లాస్ట్ మేడం ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్?
రేపు. ఎందుకు బోర్ వస్తుందా?
తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ సాటర్డే నుంచి కాలేజ్ లో చెప్తారా మేడం?
ఇంకెందుకమ్మా?
అంటే కాలేజెస్
కొన్ని సబ్జెక్ట్స్
క్లాసెస్ లేవా? అంటే లాంగ్వేజెస్ కాలేదు కదా మ్యామ్ మాకు.
లేదు మ్యామ్.
లాంగ్వేజ్ చెప్పాలన్నమాట.
మీరు చదువుకోవాలి.
చదువుకోవాలా? ఎట్లా చదువుకోవాలా మేడం? ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఎట్లా మేడం?
कुछ भी नहीं मतलब लैंग्वेजेस में हमको इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है क्या नहीं कैसा पढ़ना.
मैडम
राकेश मजाक कितना निको?
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Last week's homework.
मैडम ऑफलाइन क्लासेस ఎప్పుడు ఉంటాయి మేడం?
Last week you given us, no ma'am, that make machinery account. Can you please that question?
First, let me complete this one, ma. It's take more time. This is the topic which I am going to start. Take more time. It is the final accounts. It's very important.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma.
Page number, please, ma'am.
Let me bring this.
265 page number.
265.
Okay, thank you.
టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ లో ఇండెక్స్ లో ఉంది కదా.
కొంతమందికి వద్దకం కదమ్మా, అందుకోసమే మళ్ళీ నన్ను అడుగుతుంది.
265
కదా
7 8
ఓల్డ్ బుక్స్ అయితే 256.
ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్
267.
Yeah, I don't know what your మా ట్రయల్ బ్యాలెన్స్ వచ్చిందా మీకు?
yes ma'am.
దాంట్లో ఎర్రర్ రెక్టిఫికేషన్ ఉంది కదా మేడం, ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారా?
ఎర్రర్ ఆఫ్ రెక్టిఫికేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎర్రర్స్ ఇప్పుడు చెప్పను. ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్స్ ఇంపార్టెంట్.
నాట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ మ్యామ్.
Rectification of errors is not at all important. Final accounts is very important. In the final accounts, you take down unit 13, sorry, unit 13. Unit 13. Have you taken? Yes or no? Unit 3, Unit 13, sorry. Take down the Unit 13. So here in this, he has given the introduction for the final accounts. Final accounts means what? Where are the sole trader? Means sole trader means he is only one person where he manages his business. So here for these people, they'll be making the profit and loss account. Means how much he is investing in the business, how much he is getting. If at all, if it is a more amount is here, he is getting whatever he is invested. Then he is if he is getting losses also, sole proprietaries held responsible for this. So for this, all the things they have prepare the balance sheet. Means whatever the assets you are getting, whatever the loan you are taking, from that you will be knowing that. If suppose if you are having the cloth business, that is a wholesale business, you are giving on a credit. If the people not giving me that, it becomes a bad debts. Okay, so these all are makes that the final accounts of the sole trader. There it is includes only trading account, profit and loss account, and the balance sheet. Only these three will be taken in the trade final accounts for the sole proprietorship. Then you'll be saying that what is the use of the final accounts? So here final accounts is useful is first one is it reveal the information. Final account, it reveals that what the profit you got in the business, and even it is also gives the information amount, whatever the amount you have spent for the different heads. Different heads means whether it is a wages or the transportation, like different things, they will be making the knowing the information where you have spent the amount. And even it is also provide the information that is a trading account. There it is a comparison. Means once you have made the final accounts for the previous year, means last 3 years, and this year, it can comparison also can be shown that last year you got the more profit, this year you have not got the profit. Or you with your intelligence, if you are getting the more, that is shows the profit is more in that. So that is the comparison also can be shown. And the balance sheet also makes the financial position. What the financial position? What is your assets? What are the liabilities? These all will be shown in the business firm. And even it is also provides, that is a balance sheet provides the information about the nature and the amount of asset which was held. So that is the amount of liabilities, how much you have to pay off, how much the amount you have to get. These all the things also given by, provides the information. We get the information by the balance sheet. And when totally the final accounts means trading account, profit and loss account, and the balance sheet. So by making this all the final accounts, afterwards you will be knowing that how much the tax you have to pay it. That is on the tax authority, and you have to calculate the tax liability of the firm, and such as a direct and indirect taxes. And next is a complete final accounts means trading, profit and loss, and the balance sheet. It also mentions it also provides the information that to money lenders. Money lenders means what? Where they give the money to the people. Money lenders, they give the loan, that is in the financial institution. About the solvency of the granting the loans also. Suppose you are taking the loan, continuously taking the loan, and your salary is 10,000 rupees, but beyond your 10,000, you have paying the interest. So the company will you will go into the insolvency. Understood? So now we'll see that what is a trading account. Trading account is nothing but it is both trading account and the profit and loss account. And here we have a different gross losses, gross profit. How you'll get the gross profit? When your sales are more. When your sales are more, your cost of goods sold is less. Then you will be getting the profit. What is the sales? Gross profit plus cost of the goods. Gross profit plus cost of the goods sold. When we add these two, you will be getting the sales. And now, what is the cost of goods sold? Means sales minus gross profit. Then you'll be getting the cost of goods sold. And next, in other way also we can make it out. That is, cost is the cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold means here opening stock, purchases, direct manufacturing expenses minus closing stock. Then you will be knowing what is the cost of goods sold. Got? Understood? Any doubts? Sarah, what happened? My voice is not clear. Just to check your phone, ma. Zainab, my voice is not clear, ma. Now, we'll see the cost of goods sold. What is the cost of goods sold? Just now I told, no? Opening stock plus cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold, it is a opening stock plus purchases, if any expenses you are spending, minus closing stock. That is the cost of goods sold. So see in the illustration problem number 1, prepare the following information, accepting the cost of goods sold. I have given the formula, no? Cost of goods sold is equals to opening stock plus purchases plus expenses minus closing stock. Then you will be getting the cost of goods sold. Understood? Just you see. Yes, what happened? Mallikarjun, no need to write on the screen, ma. Now, what the adjustments always you'll write in example, that is in closing stock. So this one you'll get for the short answers. Means how you'll write the adjustment. So that is a closing stock. First you'll be writing in a trading account. Again you'll be writing in a profit and that is in the balance sheet. 2 times you will be writing. When you are writing adjustments, that is in the purchases account to closing stock, means you'll be writing. Sometimes the purchases are adjusted for the opening stock and the closing stock. So in case you're having the opening stock, it will be transferred to the purchase account, that is in a trading account. Are you getting? If you are writing anything on the board means I'll not going to explain. I'll stop. Just clear it. Just you clear it. It's not. So see the form of the trading account. You see, just check. Make it fast. I will unmute to everyone. Agar kiske paas, if anyone having the noise nearby, mute yourself. Yes. Yes, Najma.
Madam, not understand, madam. Can tell me once again?
ఏంటమ్మా ఏంటి అర్థం కాలేదు నువ్వు గిట్టలు తీసుకురా కూర్చొని అర్థమవుతుందా నీకు మీకు ఏం చెప్పినానో మీ దగ్గర సౌండ్ ఉంటే మీరు మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి అండ్ హూ ఆర్ వాంట్ టు టాక్ దే విల్ టాక్ టు మీ
మేడం ఐ హావ్ ఎ డౌట్
yes but tell me
ఇప్పుడు ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్స్ లో కూడా మనం లెడ్జర్ లో లెడ్జర్ చేసి జర్నల్ ఎంట్రీ చేసి మళ్ళీ ఒక్కొక్క ఎంట్రీస్ క్రియేట్ చేసాం కదా మేడం లైక్ క్యాష్ అకౌంట్ పర్చేస్ అకౌంట్ సేల్స్ అకౌంట్స్ అని సో ఇప్పుడు ఫైనల్ అకౌంట్స్ లో కూడా సేమ్ అలానే ఒక్కొక్క అకౌంట్ ఓపెన్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళాలా
లేదమ్మా
ఓకే ఓకే
చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు
ఓన్లీ ట్రేడింగ్ అకౌంట్ ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ అకౌంట్ అండ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ 3 కదా మేడం
బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్
ఓకే లెడ్జర్ లో ఇంపార్టెంటా మేడం ఇవి ప్రతి ఒక్క అకౌంట్ ఓపెన్ చేసుకొని వెళ్ళాలి
క్వశ్చన్ దే విల్ ఆస్క్ యు
ఓకే ఓకే
how they ask you that way you have to if they ask you to write only journals means you write the journal entries
okay
if they ask you to write the journals and you make the ledger annappudu ledger cheyali
okay madam
ఇప్పుడు డీటెయిల్ గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడానికి తప్పదు మీది ఇల్లిస్ట్రేషన్ ప్రాబ్లం చూడండి
మేడం డైరెక్ట్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ అంటే
ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ మనం డైరెక్ట్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ ట్రేడింగ్ అకౌంట్ అంటే you have to think that it is a industry లో ఏదైతే రా మెటీరియల్ పర్చేసెస్ సేల్స్ చేస్తామో అది once the production is done ప్రొడక్షన్ అయిన తర్వాత ప్రొడక్షన్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మనం మార్కెట్ సెండ్ చేస్తాం కదా, మార్కెట్ సెండ్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆఫీస్ ఒక ప్రొడక్షన్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆఫీస్ పెట్టాం కదా మనం. ఆఫీస్ పెడితే ఒక ఆఫీస్ కావాలంటే మనం రెంట్ పే చేయాలి.
Madam, your background voice is not coming.
మీ దగ్గర బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ వాయిస్ ఎవరితో వస్తుంది? టక్ 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 చెప్పడానికి.
మల్లికార్జున్ మ్యామ్.
సో ఆఫ్టర్ వన్స్ యూ ప్రొడక్షన్ ఇస్ డన్, ప్రొడక్షన్ అయిన తర్వాత మనకు ఆఫీస్ పెడతాం కదా. ఆఫీస్ పెట్టాలంటే రెంట్ కావాలి, వర్కర్స్ కావాలి. వర్కర్స్ కావాలి, వాళ్ళకి సాలరీస్ పే చేయాలి. వేజెస్ అనేది ట్రేడింగ్ అకౌంట్ లో వస్తుంది. సాలరీస్ అనేది P&L అకౌంట్ లో వస్తుంది. P&L అకౌంట్ అంటే ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ అకౌంట్. అండర్స్టాండ్?
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఆఫీస్ పెట్టినామంటే మనకు ఒక ఆఫీస్ రెంట్ తీసుకుంటాము, దానికి రెంట్ పే చేస్తాము. ఇప్పుడు మన గూడ్స్ సేల్ చేసి when you are selling your you are able to understand both the languages.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So once you are selling your product, you have to give the discount. Is it? If you are having any fixed assets means depreciation. First depreciation value you will be taking in a P&L account, and whatever the value of the machine, that is asset, and the depreciation amount will be deducted. Depreciation amount will be deducted from the actual amount. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait 1 minute.
Please stop writing.
Stop writing on the board, please.
Hello everyone, I'm Rifat. I just need a help from you all. I have missed some classes. So would you please tell me the topic names which have completed till now?
Ajay, who is that, ma? Who are missed the classes?
Ma'am, here ma'am, Rifat Tabasum.
Ma, Rifat, you can
Yes, ma'am.
see the YouTube.
Yeah ma'am, I have seen, but it's all a network problem. I think it's from your side. The classes are so much taken. It's not clear. And
No,
your
no,
voice
it's
is
clear.
also not clear, ma'am. Don't know ma'am, but for me, 2-3 classes it's not coming ma'am.
Okay.
Just after class, please, anyone of you, please help me. I'll message you.
Okay. See here, now I'm taking the illustration number 1. From the following balance of Ramdas, prepare the trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st December, that is 2016, where you have to find out the balance sheet. Also, you have to prepare the balance sheet. So first we will be taking the trading account. Now I'll show you what are the things you'll be getting in the trading account. Means logically you have to think and you have to tell me what are the things comes in a trading account. That is, once you are making in a factory. In factory, what are the things will be there? Yes, that only you have to see in this and you tell me. Okay, don't see the solution. Solution dekhte hue nakko bolo mere ko. Okay, here purchase and sales. Purchase and sales you will be having. So here in the purchase is a return outward. Return outward means what? Once you are purchase means you are getting the goods. If any damage means you will return. That will be the return outward. Okay, when you are purchasing, if you are returning, that is a return outward, means you are giving outside. And sales, if you are selling your products, if any damage means your customer will return you, that is return inward. Got my point? It's clear? Now, I'll be... Yes, Pawan? What the doubt, Pawan? Just I'm explaining, I'm not telling anything. I'm not explaining, just I'm telling first of the clues I'm giving you. Okay. Now, trading and profit and loss account. So it is a heading I'm giving here. Here you'll not having any date column, nothing you'll be having. Particulars, amount. Okay. Particulars. Next is a amount. Particulars. Amount. Okay. First, we'll writing only the trading account and profit and loss account. You can make it in a blocks. Okay. Now, capital. Yeah, capital. Capital means where it will get. Can tell me capital. So anywhere you'll be getting capital in the profit and loss account, in the trading account. No. So capital, it is an balance sheet. In balance sheet, you have to write. Okay. And stock. Where the stock will come? Stock comes, stock it is not the asset. Opening stock always you will be getting in a trading account. You will be getting in a trading account. So here I am writing the two stock. What is amount? So whenever in the question the stock is given, that is the opening stock. That is a opening stock. In adjustment, whatever the stock it is given, it is a closing stock. Okay. Here when it is in adjustment, any adjustment is given means it will give the two effects. Now, the first closing stock we will be writing in a trading account. Next time the closing stock we will be writing in a balance sheet. Okay, what is the amount of stock, opening stock? How much is the stock amount? Debit side. Yes, Zainab. It is on the debit side. You'll be writing. Yes, very good. It is a 25,000. Next, sales. Where the sales will come? Where the sales will come? Sorry, purchases there, no? Where the purchases will come? Means here we are talking about trading account, trading account. In trading account, you'll be having the stock, you will be purchasing, and the sales will also there. Yes, Zainab, you are telling that on the debit side, but which, in which column? In which one? To purchases. How much amount? To purchases. How much? 1,30,500. Okay. Now, sales is given. Sales is always on a credit side. By sales. How much the amount by sales? See here, it shows no debit column and credit column. So you have to make it is wherever it is a credit, you write in a credit, and debit means debit side. Trading account, how much? It is a 2,45,000. One more thing. First, when you are writing, you must write in a inner column, inner only. That is 1,30,500 for purchases. And in sales also, because you will be having a return inward and outward. No? Two lakhs 40. 45,000. That is a inner column. Next, you see a return inward and outward. Whenever it is given in the question like this, debit, whatever is on a debit side, that will come in a, debit side will go on a credit side. Means opposite. Sales ka 2,45,000 में से 3,000, 1,30,500 में से 2,000. Means in the cross you have to take. Minus that is a returns. It is a minus return. Returns how much? How much the amount you have to minus? How much the amount you have to minus? No. I said cross. Yes, Samir, it is a 2,000. Very good. So what will be the amount? 1,30,000 minus 30,500 minus 2,000. Yes, 1,28,500. Next, even the purchase is also minus is there now. Minus returns. How much? It is a 3,000. So what is the total amount? Yes, 2,42,000. Okay, the next. Bills receivable and payable. Receivable, it will be debited 50,000. Payable is a 6,000. Got my point? Carriage inward. Carriage inward means what, ma? Carriage inward. When you are purchased the raw material, so you will be arranging the transportation. So for that transportation, you are getting into the factory. So that is carriage inward. So that also you'll get here to carriage inward. How much amount? That is 7,500. Next, plant and machinery. It is an asset. Office furniture. It will come in a profit and loss account. Sundry debtors and creditors. It also comes in a balance sheet. Wages will get here because you will be paying the wages to the workers. You will be paying the salaries when you establish one office. So, to wages. How much the wages? How much the wages? It is a 1,500. Sorry. Coal, gas and water. That also comes in a trading account. So, coal, gas, and water. How much it is given? Coal, gas. Acha. This one is a 1,500. Wages is the 12,500. Very good. The next, duty and clearance. Yes. This also comes in a factory only. Clearance charges to duty and clearing charges. So upon as I these are the items what we have that you will be. How much? It is a 4,800. Got my point? Understood? Next. Office rent means that comes under a okay, sorry. 1,500. Office rent means you will be establishing the office. For that, you will be paying the rent. So that will come in a profit and loss account. Printing and stationery, it is also in a profit and loss account. Insurance, it is also profit and account. And carriage outward, this also you will be getting in a profit and loss account. Means outward, means you are taking the goods out. For that, the office people, they will be charging, they will have to pay the amount. Salaries, that also will be in the profit and loss account. Next, factory rent. Rent will be 2. If it's normal rent, if it is given, you have to write in the profit and loss account. If it is given the factory rent, then you have to write in a trading account. Okay. 2, factory rent. How much? Factory rent, how much? 2,400 factory rent. Next, electricity and telephone, that is also in the profit and loss account. Bank charges, that is also in a profit and loss account. Drawing, balance sheet. Cash in hand, cash at bank, that is also in a balance sheet. Now, here you have to write the buy closing stock, because this closing stock amount, it will give the two effects. If at all anything in adjustment, if it is there, means it will give two effects. Now closing stock, it is there in a adjustment. So that one you have to write in two times. One is in a balance sheet, one is in a trading account. Now total it and tell me. Two lakhs 92,000. So here also I'm putting the same. It should be same amount. It should be same. Okay. Now on credit side, you have a 2,92,000. On a debit side, what is the total? On a credit debit side, what is the total you got? No, ma. I have written from the debit side. From the credit side, I have seen that credit side, you got the 2,92,000. You add only these amounts and tell me. 25,000, 1,28,500, 7,500, 12,500, 1,500, 1,500, 2,400. So what is the amount you are getting? 1,79,000. Okay, Shravani, 1,78,900. You minus that amount from 2,92,000. Outstanding rent, it is not there, Mama. So you minus the 2,92,000 minus 1,89,900. Hello? Hello, students? Hello, students? I was talking because there was a network issue. I'm not able to. Okay. Now, what is the closing amount? When you minus 2,92,000, does not have, the students has given me the answer. That is, I'm seeing your messages also. That is 1,13,000. कुछ है ना? 1,13,000. Tell me, ma. What is the amount? What is the total amount, ma? What is the amount? 1,13,100. When is the credit side is more than the debit side, then it is called the gross profit. Got my point? Gross profit carried down. Gross profit. Now, this gross profit, again we'll be taking one more. We have taken the trading account kar diya na ma? Now we'll be seeing the profit and loss account. Here also same, particulars amount. So we got a gross profit now. That gross profit, it will be brought down here, down by gross profit brought down. How much? How much the gross profit? 1,13,100. Yes, I have muted you. Just give me the answer. मैं सबको म्यूट करी.
మ్యామ్ ఫ్యాక్టరీ రెంట్ దగ్గర మీరు అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ రెంట్ తీసుకోలేదు మ్యామ్.
అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ రెంట్ ఎక్కడ ఉందమ్మా?
The following adjustments are to be taken into consideration.
वो बैलेंस शीट में आता ना.
Closing stock 50,000, outstanding liabilities to be rent అని. మ్యామ్ ABCDEF లో EF ఉంది కదా మ్యామ్ కింద.
My question and adjustment. I'm doing the other question.
Ma'am, can you please share the question in WhatsApp group, because I don't have the question in my textbook.
14.5. 14.5 it is there, no?
Page number 344.
15.5 right, ma'am.
14.5.
In our book 15.5 there, ma'am.
Illustration number 1.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Undi 14.
Illustration number 1. You know, without adjustment, now I'm explaining you. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
What? And next. Now in this, what are the things we have left? Carriage inward. Office rent. Anna? Carriage inward means you will be it has gone in the trading account. Now, plant and machinery, office, coal, wages, and now office rent to office rent. Entama office rent 4,800. Avuna?
4,800. Yes, ma'am.
Next, 2 salaries. Salaries enta
27,000.
27,000. Next, what is there? Printing and stationery.
1,000 rupees.
Printing and
1,000 rupees, ma'am.
stationery.
1,000.
Thousand. Next.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Huh?
Dot hai, ma'am.
Bola ma.
Factory rent 2 times is coming na, ma'am, question mein.
To factory rent 2 par nahi aa raha. Only one time you are getting. One is the only rent. One is the factory rent. Ma?
Adjustment में भी दिया ना, ma'am.
माँ आप कौन सा क्वेश्चन बोल रहे नहीं मालूम माँ. I am seeing.
Haridas. Trading account of Haridas. Question number.
Ramdas.
Page number 305.
344 page number Haridas.
346 page number.
305. 305.
Page number 305.
305.
Ma'am, how should we understand that which one should enter in trial sheet, trading account and profit and loss?
So to understand that, you have to go through the format. Format is there. I'll show you the format.
Ma'am, question how to come, ma'am? With adjustment also?
With adjustment you'll get. And the format is given. Don't follow the modern format. You for normal format only you find out. You learn. That is in the page number, not the page number, 13.15. 13.15.
13.5, sir?
15.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So when you go through this, you will be knowing how to make the profit and loss account. That is only the profit and loss account. And next, the trading account format is
profit and loss account in how much marks?
Ma, its complete balance sheet is at 12 marks.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. In short answer, long, ma'am?
Longer. That's what I'm
short
telling you.
mein
Is
aata.
very important.
Short
2
mein
questions
aata,
you'll get in this.
Okay. Short and long also.
Short means just now I
4 marks.
4 marks में सिर्फ trading and profit and loss account देता, ma'am.
Short में नहीं देता ma.
Okay.
This is a long answer. So just now I told no cost of goods sold. I told no cost of goods sold is equals to opening stock plus purchases plus direct expenses minus sales. I told no. That's such a question you'll get.
13.15 is profit and loss account. Next, ma'am, trading account, which unit?
13.11.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, madam. Thank you.
So these all together, you will be rating. And the balance sheet is in 14.4. Balance sheet is 14.4.
Okay, ma'am. Adjustment?
Adjustment, that is format I told you all. Adjustment according to that only you have to write.
Okay,
See,
ma'am. Thank you.
outstanding means just let me complete this one, then I'll let you know. Okay. Now office rent means you have to write in the profit and loss account. Factory rent means you have to write in the trading account. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, after printing and stationery, next is given insurance. What is insurance amount?
400.
400. Next, what is there in the question? Next, after insurance?
Carriage out.
Means you are selling the goods. Means transportation is done by the office. Carriage inward means trading account. Carriage outward means? How much?
6,200.
How much?
6,200.
6,200. Next.
Bank charges.
Yes. And
Charges.
charges.
90.
Electricity and telephone.
Yes, very
Ma'am,
good.
electricity and telephone.
90 rupees.
So,
Electricity.
1,200.
1,200. Next.
Office rent.
Office rent, I didn't write. Okay.
You already written, madam, at first.
Office rent I have written, no? That's what. Next. Anything more?
No.
Net profit.
Profit
Drawings, ma'am.
Drawings will not come. Drawings will come in the balance sheet. Gross profit.
Ma'am, net profit.
No. From the balance sheet, from the trading account, we got the gross profit. That gross profit will brought down here. If at all any gross loss means you will be debit side is more than the credit side, then you'll get the gross profit. If it is debit side is more than credit side is more than the debit side, you will get the profit. आमदनी से खर्चा कम है तो क्या होता है? प्रॉफिट है ना? If you are getting the 10,000 rupees, out of the 10,000 rupees, you have spent only 5,000 rupees, means 5,000 is a profit. If you are getting the 5,000 rupees, you are spending the 10,000 rupees, means 5,000 is a loss. Got my point? Understood?
Ma'am, this is just same as the inter first year balance.
Yes, exactly. And you are all our BCom students, no? Many of this inter CEC students, no? Commerce who are no, they can write.
Yes, ma'am. I just completed inter, so I can recognize all this.
Yes. So now, what is the total here? 1,13,100. So same thing you have to write here. So when you are writing these answers, no, you use pencil mark. Because unnecessarily, if you are writing with the pen, means scribbling is done. Okay. Now, you have got this total minus these values. Minus these values. How much, ma'am? How much?
Net profit.
40,690, ma'am.
So minus from 1,13,100.
72,410 rupees.
Yes, very good. 72,410 rupees. It is a net profit.
Balance sheet లో యాడ్ అవుతుంది కదా మ్యామ్ మళ్ళీ ఇది.
Yes. Now we are doing the balance sheet. Balance sheet. माँ किसी के घर से आवाज आ रहा हो तो ना म्यूट कर सकती. Yes. Here it is a liabilities. And amount.
Side assets.
Amount. Assets. And amount. Here liabilities मोलतो अपने को खर्चा अपुलु
Loss.
Assets means profit.
Yes.
Astulu properties. Understood? So now liabilities. In the liabilities, what is the capital is given? This one is a
1,28,000.
First, listen to me. Whatever the trading account we did, debit side, the credit side is the same. But liabilities are credit, assets are debit. So now capital means it is you are taking the loan. Still you have to pay, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So to capital. How much?
1,28,500.
28,500. Next. So now add this net profit. Sorry, 2 will not come here. Capital H. So now you will be adding the net profit.
72,800.
72,410. So if it is a net loss, अगर net loss आया तो minus capital से minus करना है. Now
Ma'am, drawings capital में minus करना ना ma'am.
I'm taking that only. 1,28,500 minus drawings. How much?
15,000.
12,000.
15,000.
Drawings 12,000.
12,000.
1,16,000.
16,500.
1,16,500.
15,500. Got?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now, still what the amount you have to write?
2,000.
Next amounts क्या आना अभी?
Bills payable. Bills payable.
Okay, bills payable. Next. How much? कितना मा? Bills payable how much?
6,000, ma'am.
50,000.
Next.
Sundry
Creditors. How much?
46,000.
Next.
Next,
Machinery.
Salary.
हाँ?
नहीं है मैम, कुछ भी नहीं है.
सैलरी बोल के बोल रहे मेरे को. नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट क्या है? एसेट साइड.
Assets.
एसेट साइड. प्रॉफिट. अब तो क्या है? प्रॉपर्टीज.
Cash in hand, ma'am.
कैश. हाउ मच?
1,610.
610.
Investment.
Next.
Cash at
Investments.
Ma'am, performer liabilities amount है ना ma'am?
क्या माँ? No need माँ. If you want, you can use. Otherwise, no problem. एक ही डालने के मैं यहाँ पे ड्राइंग लिखी देखो.
Investments.
हाँ, बैंक how much?
5,800.
5,800.
Next.
Bills receivable.
Office furniture.
How much is receivable?
50,000. Sundry debtors.
How much?
Investment.
70,000. Ma'am.
Okay. Next.
Bad debtor.
Plant
and
machinery.
Plant and machinery, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
How much?
60,000, ma'am. 60,000.
60,000.
Closing stock.
हाँ, और एक है. Office furniture. Office rent, office work.
3,000.
Closing stock, madam.
Office furniture, how much?
3,500.
500. 500.
Ma'am, insurance free है.
Madam, closing stock.
Closing stock.
50,000.
60 or 50?
50.
50,000.
Okay. Anything is left?
No, ma'am. No.
So do the total.
2,40,910 rupees.
Wait, ma'am.
Right. Who said answer?
2,40,000. 2,40,910. And 10 rupees.
40,000.
910.
So on an asset side, how much?
Let's say, madam.
2,40,910 आ रहा है asset side.
Okay. तो ऐसा टैली हो ना आपको आंसर.
Yes, ma'am.
तो you'll get full marks. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैडम हम लोग को टैली नहीं हुआ. No problem. If you are putting your adjustments, if you are putting your amounts in a proper place, for that also you will be getting the marks. आपको पूरा टैली हुआ तो full 12 marks आएंगे. If not, if you are putting all adjustments in a proper way, then you will be getting at least 10 marks.
Okay, ma'am.
Zero तो नहीं आता.
Yes, ma'am.
You will be getting. अगर net profit bills payable कौन सा कहाँ पे डालना आ गया बोले तो you will be getting marks. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So here in the page number I don't know 14.8 you have some of the problems. without adjustments.
Page number, madam.
14.8 ma model questions.
Page number 8. 7th, 6th one, 6th to 7th. From the following information, drop the balance sheet of Kartika as well as
Okay. One is Mrs. Devi and other one is Reddy traders. So two questions you have. Even the sum of the problems also there, 6th to 7th and very short questions. And the long questions is 3rd and 4th questions. Just you practice it.
Okay, ma'am.
Here, no adjustments. First, I want to tell you without adjustment. Tomorrow, I'll be explaining with the adjustment.
Okay,
ma'am.
Ma'am, here is importance now, ma'am.
Thank you. I'll give.
In BRS.
BRS.
Very important.
I told no last week.
No, ma'am.
I gave.
When
Last.
Last one, ma'am? Tomorrow?
Ma.
Okay, ma'am.
In the last class I have given.
Yes.
Tomorrow is the last class, madam.
Yes. So tomorrow with the adjustments, I'll tell you the class mark.
Yes,
Sir,
Today
offline class is supposed to, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम आप लास्ट में डेप्रिसिएशन इलेक्ट्रिशियन तो समझ नहीं आया मैम फर्स्ट में
Time up. Time up.
Now it is a one. I have to start the economic class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so ma'am. Give me a 15 minutes time.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, madam.
Okay. We'll meet in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, madam.
Thank you.